Welcome to our comparison of two popular AMD AM5 motherboards, the ASUS TUF Gaming B650-PLUS WIFI and the ASRock B650M-HDV/M.2. In this video, we will dive deep into their specifications, features, and performance to help you make an informed decision. The ASUS TUF Gaming B650-PLUS is designed for gamers and content creators, offering robust power delivery and extensive connectivity options. On the other hand, the ASRock B650M-HDV/M.2 is a budget-friendly option that provides essential features for a compact build. Let's see how they stack up against each other. The ASUS TUF Gaming B650-PLUS WIFI is a full-sized ATX motherboard, providing ample space for expansion and robust cooling solutions. In contrast, the ASRock B650M-HDV/M.2 is a micro ATX motherboard designed for smaller cases and more compact builds. This difference in form factor can significantly impact your build's layout and cooling efficiency. The ASUS TUF Gaming B650-PLUS WIFI boasts advanced features such as PCIe 5.0 support, Wi-Fi 6, and customizable RGB lighting, making it ideal for high-performance gaming setups. Meanwhile, the ASRock B650M-HDV.2 offers essential features but lacks the advanced options found in the ASUS board. This makes the ASUS board a better choice for enthusiasts looking for top-tier performance. When it comes to pricing, the ASUS TUF Gaming B650-PLUS WIFI is priced at $219, reflecting its premium features and performance capabilities. In contrast, the ASRock B650M-HDV/M.2 is more budget-friendly at $159, making it an attractive option for users looking to build a functional system without breaking the bank. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your budget and performance needs. In conclusion, both the ASUS TUF Gaming B650-PLUS WIFI and ASRock B650M-HDV/M.2 have their strengths and weaknesses. The ASUS board is perfect for gamers and content creators seeking high performance and advanced features, while the ASRock board is ideal for budget-conscious users looking for a reliable motherboard. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and tech reviews.